Your hope that hopefully also great and having a wonderful time. So today I'm back once again in front of the people. So today in this video I'll be explaining like a great thing from here. So like I will show this in this video like where you can spending your time. So let's have a start this video and let's say something in front of here. So okay, back I'm also again see I'm in front of you and today I'll be this like where you can spending where you can cost your time. So as you can see also the weather is booming and this weather this place is also blooming, and right now here is also charming. As you can see the people are walking and people are costing time is here. So right now people is so quite busy, people is quite busy to maintain the process. People cannot take a free time, people cannot get any opportunity to spending time, but today they get before Friday, that is the day, so they get free time and they are come here for spending some time. So I think that like they also feel bored, that's why they come here, like it's the open place. As you can see over there there is no things, also is the open place, and over there air is also blooming, and as you can see over there something is water, so the water is also moving, the water is charming, that's why they can take something feel here. So generally as you can see my brother is also walking the here, and maybe they come out of this place, out of this rural area. So actually that is our traditional place, that is our international things, also international spot. Like here is also doing the construction work where people will be spending some time, like it is, you can call them Jomuna polytechnical but yes, that is system. As you can see over there something. So I think like they try to understanding, they try to track it, like when water will become like 100 of speed they cannot messing here. So something people when will be involved in this water they will be swim, but sometimes they have to face some problem. So generally the government also trying to understand, trying to do some work in here, and also some people is working and spending some time. So I'm really excited to see the nature of here, so natural beauty. So if you call me, if you want to know from me like what is the natural beauty, I will suggest to you like that is maybe Enayatpur Barivad. Yes, also that is the natural beauty, is also a natural setting is also here staying. So I'm back where I staying. Okay, so like if you feel bored, if you want to come any beautiful place, I can tell you that is that is spot, that place is so famous, and if you find out any social network you will get from here, like it is the great. So at the time of spending some time, like you have to think that like yeah, that is the place, and it's the one of the place of Belkuchi, the shells gone. So right now I'm so happy, I'm so delighted because all of the people and all of the young generation they try to moving in this place. So I don't know like what I have to do right now, but I'm thinking that I'm gonna be motivation because all the people are working. Is there any no person who makes a video? But right now I'm CM who is capturing this video. So in this video. So if you're gonna get a mistake, yeah, I have 100%. I have a lot of mistake in my sentence. So if you're gonna get, so please give me, that is your mistake, and I will learn new way. Because I have a great mental lecture from these person, those who live in, those who are controlling of the world. They told that like if you do any mistake, you can learn new way. So that is system. I think that if I do any mistake, that is not my mistake. I will learn new way. Thank you very much for listening me. Thank you very much.